So today I was out here just doing some maintenance on the Z. I'll show you what I was going to do. So it was supposed to be simple. It was just connecting this. You see this wire right here? It was just supposed to be connecting that and grounding it. And I put my jack right here where I usually do. And usually it's always fine right here. But today it slipped and yeah, destroyed the oil pan. This oil pan is done. My car is knocking right now. As you can see, it's pretty fucked. And I'm really devastated. So right now, I was just gonna do that ground. I'm gonna start prepping it for the engine swap. Or not the engine swap, but I've gotta pull the engine, so I gotta get the pan off of this one and put it on this guy. I'm pretty devastated, to be honest with you. But hey, shit happens in life. Learn from your mistakes. I didn't have the blocks. I had the e-brake up. It fell back with just the e-brake, so anyone that's doing any maintenance, just be double careful. Get them chocks or blocks, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna be prepping right now to get the engine pulled. Yay.